In today's video, I'm going to teach you guide how to use Base44 to build an app. Base44 is a streamlined platform for turning ideas into working web apps, either from a blank canvas using natural language or by starting from a ready-made template you can customize. I'll walk you through the full flow so you can confidently go from concept to publish. First, open your browser and head to app.base44.com. Give the page a moment to load. If you're asked to sign in, just follow the on-screen prompts so you land on the main workspace. Now, if you want to build from scratch, use the prompt box on the homepage. Think of this like a detailed brief for your app. Describe what you're building, who it's for, the key features you need, any data sources or pages you want included, and your preferred structure or tone. The clearer your prompt, the better the initial build. When your prompt is ready, send it to start the build. Base44 will generate the scaffolding of your app based on your instructions, which you can refine afterward. If you'd rather start faster, click on Apps to browse existing templates. This section includes pre-built projects that you can adapt instead of reinventing the wheel. Take a moment to scan the options, open previews where available, and look for a template that's close to your use case so you minimize rework. Once you find a good fit, select the template you want. Templates in Base44 come with pages, data connections, and components you can improve or replace. Think of this as your jumpstart. You keep what works and customize the rest to match your goals. As an example, open a template like Luto to see how it's structured. Inside the editor, you'll find the app's layout, settings, and components ready to tweak. This is a safe space to experiment. Changes are easy to adjust. Next, click on the chatbot component. Here you can adjust the website or source it references to guide how the chatbot responds. Update the target website to match your project. Then click Send to apply the change. Give it a moment to process and test a few prompts to make sure the chatbot behaves as expected before moving on. When you're satisfied with your app, click Publish. This will bundle your changes and make the app live so you can share it with your audience or team. If you spot anything later, you can always return to the editor, update your app, and publish again. That's the full flow. Visit Base44, build with a prompt or start from a template, fine-tune components like the chatbot, and publish when you're ready.